Hola, ¿cómo está? How's everybody doing today? Oh my god, I have hair in my mouth. Get out. Okay. How's everybody doing? I am doing good, if you guys were wondering. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to be creating this glitter liner and a half cut crease for you guys today. I really love how this look turned out. I don't usually do a whole bunch of neutral eye looks, so here's this one for you guys who loves neutral freaking eye looks. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and if you guys want to see how I created this look right here, then please keep on watching. Hello guys, so as you can see, I look like a bum. Yeah, I know. I didn't really feel like getting ready for this video. My hair is just up in a little bun. My face has some pimples on it, and I'm wearing a sweatshirt. So that's that. I'm sorry, but it's a tutorial. So what's good? As you guys can see, I already did my brows and set my eyes off camera. I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in dark brown, and I set my lid with MAC Studio Water Weight. And I also like clean my brows up with that as well. And then we're going to go right in to the Jaclyn Hill palette with a bit of a lighter shade right here. And then we're just stamping this color into the crease. Alright, now we're going to be going in with this shade right here in the Jaclyn Hill palette called Pukey. And we're doing the same thing that we did with the other color, just stamping it into the crease. And now we're blending upward. Alright, now going in with this brown shade here at the bottom, and we're making the crease darker and deeper. Going back in with the other brush and blending this in. Going back in again and deepening that up even more. And then once again back in with the other brush, blending that in. Now going in with this darker brown shade right here and doing the same thing. And now we're kind of bringing it downwards towards the end of the eyelid. Alright, taking the Cosmetics brush once again and blending the shade out. Alright, now taking the MAC Cosmetics Studio Water Weight Concealer, and we're going to be cutting our crease with this. While taking the Morphe M224 brush and cutting the crease, and we're doing a half cut crease. Alright, as you see, I I'm just patting onto the concealer to kind of blend it out a little bit and sheer it out and not make it as thick. Now I'm going in with the Masterpiece Glam Light Cosmetics palette. And I'm going to be taking this white shade up here. Alright, so now adding some brown. Alright, going in with a Revlon Photoready Eye Art. And I'm going to be making a glitter liner out of this. Alright, now going in with some NIC eyeliner. And we're going to be outlining this wing. Alright guys, and that is the finished eye. I'm going to be finishing off the other eye off camera, and then I will be back. Alright guys, as you can see, I already put my lashes on. These lashes are from Princess Girl Beauty, and these are in the style Sweetheart. These are one of my favorite lashes right now. You guys should go check them out. They're a very small brand right now, but they're really good. So what we're going to do now is prime our face. First, I'm going to be using a Kat Von D primer. Alright, and then right on top of that, I'm going to be going in with the MAC Fix Plus setting spray, and this is in the scent Rose. They have coconut, rose, and lavender, and then also just the original that has no scent. This one is so good. Alright, we're going to let that soak in a little bit. And the foundation that we're going to be using today is Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 180. Just look at how healthy and glowy and pretty this foundation looks. I love it so much. Alright, now going in with the MAC Cosmetics Water Weight Concealer, and this is going to be going under my eyes and on my nose and forehead. And actually, I really like this concealer. It doesn't get into my fine lines as much as the Tarte Shape Tape. It, like, once I set it, it just is really good, and I like it better. The Tarte Shape Tape hasn't been cutting it for me. It's been getting too much into my creases. No matter how little I use, how much I use, it doesn't matter. It's always in my creases, and I do not fucks with that. So I don't use it. Well, I mean, I use it sometimes. I'm just trying to see, like, because I used to love the Tarte Shape Tape, and all of a sudden, like, now it's not working. So I'm just like, I don't know. Look at how good my face looks. Oh my goodness. See, this concealer is real good. Alright, now putting our CMA translucent powder all over my face. I said in like the other videos that I wasn't going to be using this anymore, but it's working a lot better with this foundation. I think maybe it was like the Tarte Shape Tape that was like messing up my face, like. So I'm back to using this powder. It's all good. Right now that I look like a ghost, let's bronze up this face and make it back to normal. So what I've really been liking doing lately is going in with really warm shades. So I'm going to be going in with these two shades right here for my bronzer. And going in with the Alexia 660 brush for that. We're just going to be taking this all on the outskirts of our face. All right, now going in with this darker brown shade here, and this is kind of to more define them and make a contour out of them. And we're doing this very lightly, more towards the hairline, not bringing it too far down. All right, now carving out our cheekbones with the RCMA translucent powder. And now I'm going in with this palette right here, and I'm using this shimmery pink blush shade right here. I love this blush shade just because it's shimmery and it kind of makes my cheeks pop out a little bit more and give them more life and a little bit more glow. I also take this on my nose a little bit. Alright, now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty foundation and I'm going in with lightening dust. I love this natural highlight. It's really giving me life lately because I've been having a lot of texture on the sides of my face, and this one is a lot more natural and doesn't bring the texture out as much, and it's really pretty at the same time. Like, it's still blinding. It's not like extreme blinding though, but I just feel like it makes the face look a lot better for some reason. You know, I still love my blinding highlights, but I've just been feeling this one lately. And then we're going to be putting the more blinding highlight, which is, oh no, look at what I just did. Oh my god. Alright, so we're going in with a fire crystal on the inner corners of the eye, just because we like that blindingness in the inner corning. No, we like the blindingness in our inner corner all the fucking time. Alright, now we're going to wipe this away. We're going to blend in the highlight a little bit more with the bronzer. Now I'm going to zoom you back into the eyes so we can finish up the eyeshadow. So first I'm just going to be going back in with this guy right here. Alright, then going back in with the M149 brush and using this dark brown shade right here. Alright, I went and finished the other eye, and now I'm finishing my mascara. Alright, now to finish the face, I am going to be using the Fix Plus once again and spraying my face. Okay, now for my lip, I'm going to be using Luminous Forever Rain Lip Stain. And this is in the shade Midtown. Alright, then I'm going to be lining my lips a little bit more with Strip Down liner from MAC. Alright, then on top of that I'm going to be going in with lip glass from MAC, and this is in the shade Myth. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm going in with this white Wet n Wild eyeliner and lining my waterline. Alright guys, and this is the completed look. Alright guys, I put my messy hair down. It was in a bun, so it looks a little bit crazy, but it's okay. You guys still love me, right? Like, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this half cut crease glitter liner outlined black type look. I had so much fun creating this look for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. I used actually more products that I haven't used before in this video, so I hope you guys enjoy me changing things up a little bit as well and showing you guys new products that I've been liking. Please like and subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so you can get notified every single time that I post. Please comment down below. I don't know. Fuck. Alright, see you guys later. Bye guys. Peace.